in overdrive just yet.
Just yet.
As you're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
So Desiree decided to get us the expensive stuff today. So this is gonna be a real blackout day for me. Cheers. Oh, she tried to get out. Hold on. Before,
Wow,
wait, you wait, because the way I looked at her.
Cheers.
You had to catch up with us because we have double
Natasha,
shots.
I'm not about to be laid out somewhere. We haven't even made it to the restaurant. We are not about to go here tonight. No. They're wintertime Crocs.
So I'm not gonna put them in overdrive just yet.
Just yet.
So these are beautiful.
That is a Chipotle gift card.
Hey! Hey, okay.
Why encourage
So,
that?
Chipotle is like all they eat. So I mean, fries instead of broccoli. Natasha, happy birthday to you.
21st birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm actually cramping right now too, so I made myself some coffee, although that's not what you're supposed to do. You're actually not supposed to have caffeine when you have endometriosis, but your girl needs to wake up. I don't know how that happens, but okay. The struggle is real. Lots of creamer. You know I gotta taste my coffee, so let's see. That's it right there. He goes straight to his brother's house. Watch. Oh, that was quick. Okay, so they never really have much of a selection, but you know what? We're gonna work with it. I know Nugget used to like this, but I don't want to compare them.
Hi, did you guys need help with anything?
Let's see. Oh, and I need that big bag of hay. Okay, so a player has secured the bag. I like to come to this PetSmart because they usually have a ton of stuff. It's just everything is out of stock in general, and I think a lot of places, and it kind of just sucks. So I tried to grab like the largest bag of hay. If not, then I'm gonna have to buy it off Amazon, which is likely as well. Oh, when you get into the car, lock your doors. But yeah, so I mean, this PetSmart is thebomb.com, and they usually have everything I need, but they had skinny pigs, and I love skinny pigs, but the way Arlo and Alf be fighting, I could not bring a skinny pig in there. Like Alf would tear his head off. Like it, whew, my poor babies. So anyways, I think I'm gonna go to Target. I think I'm gonna make my way that way. Seems a little bit easier. It's definitely still my birthday. But if you thought your girl was gonna stay in those clothes, I just did it to take a picture. And your girl is back in her hoodie. I told y'all, like, I don't play. I don't like to get dressed. Like, I used to be that girl who wore, and also too, I had to stop at the post office, which I couldn't bring you guys along, but I used to be that girl who would always get dressed up. Like, I would always be dressed up from head to toe, dressed to the 9 or dressed to the 10. I don't and it's like, for what? Like, I ain't trying to get nobody. The struggle's real. So you guys already know what I'm doing. I'm cleaning vegetables because that's what my life revolves around. My life revolves around guinea pigs. So I am cleaning vegetables right now. I'm gonna pull my hair back because I have to go to my mom's house later because she wants to, I think I already told you guys in like part of this vlog, she wants to do like cake and ice cream. Why did my forehead get so big?
Dude, can you get me at a better angle?
I don't be seeing you. I'm getting the cake.
Oh. Are we gonna sing happy birthday first and then I'm so hungry? I'm so hungry.
I am so.
Can you guys go get me some food? I mean, I guess mom's cooking, but like,
What is she cooking?
I don't know. When I came in, it was still in the oven. It's been in the oven. It's never coming out. Brittany didn't want me to put icing on the other half.
It's chicken. What sounds good? Because I can eat Chipotle all day, every day. Are you gonna put my name on there? Okay.
You have to put Natashia.
Whatever fits, you know, with the icing. The icing is a bit.
And Jeremiah.
The icing is a bit of
Tasha and Maya.
a bit of a problem.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Did you want to go get something to eat really quick?
Yeah, after we get some, can we sing happy birthday? You should have told me I have candles at my house.
Or we can light one.
She said light and incense.
Well, we gotta wait for mom.
Do you have to hold him to shake it?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. It is Saturday. I actually just got back from Skate City. My nephew's birthday is a day before mine, which is so exciting. I love that we're both Scorpios. Scorpio gang in the house. So shout out to all my Scorpios out there. But we went to Skate City from 12 to 2 for his birthday, and I was super excited because I love Skate City, but let me tell you, the best time to go to Skate City is when you're drunk. Now, if you are over the age of 21 and you go to Skate City, just have a shot or two. Let me tell you guys, so after Skate City, I just dropped my mom back. I dropped my mom back off at home and my nephew, and then I came back home and I'm like, I have to clean my master bedroom and bathroom. One thing I don't recommend is having a glass shower. Like, why is it so hard to clean? Like, does anybody have any suggestions as far as like cleaning your glass shower? Because I just feel like it takes me like an hour to clean my master bathroom. Like, I take everything out, but also too, I want to redecorate our master bedroom. I just want it to feel more homey, I guess. Like, it doesn't have that vibe right now.
So, and my husband has like, I don't know, his little man cave, and I kind of want us to switch rooms. I want his man cave to be in the master bedroom just so he has more room. And his bathroom is a lot smaller than the bathroom in our room, and I'm just like, and it doesn't have a glass shower. I'm just like, can we switch, please? Like, let your girl just have this bathroom. So no, that's not gonna happen, but I tried, you know, I did try. I'm like, what else do I need to do? I'm probably gonna stop at like Target, Marshall's, or Ross. I need to get some black jeans, just some regular skinny jeans. If they're bell bottoms, I'm actually like starting to get back into bell bottoms. I used to wear those when I was like in high school, but if I can find some bell bottom ones, I will take them. But I do need some black skinny jeans. I like, once they get too faded, I just toss them, and I'm like, but I could buy a lot of my jeans at Ross, which is good. I don't know, like I really like need to like sit down and just like make an agenda of all the stuff that I need to get done this weekend. So tomorrow's football. Like I won't even be able to watch football if I wait till tomorrow to clean my master bedroom. The rest of my house is clean, and the kids are upstairs. I haven't let them out today. Well, I let them out for like a few minutes, but like that's just me getting their food and then putting them back in their cage. But yeah, so no, I'm just chilling. I need to write in my journal. I actually wrote in my journal last night, but I like really need to write in my journal. I love like journal therapy. It's so relaxing. It just clears my mind of everything that's going on. Thanksgiving is around the corner, and I think my mom said this year we're not going to do a traditional Thanksgiving. We're actually going to do seafood. We're not doing like a turkey or anything. And I'm pretty much the only person that cooks besides my mom. So yeah, this will kind of give me like a chance. Well, I think I still have to cook, but not as much. Like I had to do the turkey, the greens, the macaroni and cheese, the mashed potatoes, the dressing. Like this girl, Mom, help a sister out. I gotta get these kids right. I need to wipe them down with a, I was gonna say with a pamper. I need to wipe them down with a wet wipe because I can't have them getting sick. I clean their cages probably like 3 times a day. I know that seems like a lot, but yeah. So I'm just gonna wipe them down because I've already gave them a bath. I clipped their fingernails and their toenails about a week ago. So I just try to like wipe down their eyes and just make sure that they're in good health, and then give them vitamin C just so they continue to stay healthy because they are my babies. And you know, somebody asked me about Nugget today when I was at Skate City, and I was just like, I can't talk about it. Like it's just so sad because my 2 new guinea pigs, like they don't even have the same personality at all. So, and then also too, you guys know they don't get along, which I'm like, you guys are the same creature, get along. Like I just want to like get along, but yeah, no. So it's just, it's hard because I'm just like, I'm expecting them to act like Nugget, and Nugget was his own, he was his own person. So this is Mr. Arlo. Say hi, friends. I'm just a cutie pie. And he is a long hair guinea pig, but I do cut his hair a little bit because let me tell you, it be blowing in the wind. Like his hair legit be blowing in the wind. Like especially the front part here. It's so funny when him and Arlo, or when him and Alf are fighting, when he runs, this hair just be like this.
Bye. I love the color of his butt because everything, it's like black, white, and then the brown. And then look how cute his freaking face is. Like, look at this face. Hi, man. How you doing? Say hi, friends. Say, I'm a big boy. Probably just gonna wind down until my husband gets here and we'll decide if we want to go to Ross and all that good jazz. So for now, if I do get food, I'll let you guys know. Just know it most likely will be Chipotle, but if it's not, I'll still let you guys know. So you guys have a good night and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Baby, we can do this.